It is spring, and I'm here at the bus stop waiting for the bus to come. Just looking around. Inquisitive that I am, I begin to question my surroundings. I asked, Mother Nature, it's March, yet the trees are bare. Shouldn't their leaves be green? Clearly, it doesn't appear to be spring. Wise and true, says Mother Nature. Contrary to what you've been taught to believe, officially, it's not yet spring. In nature, life cycle begins with a new year. It's in April when you'll see the tree leaves green. I sat there amazed beneath the leafless tree, connecting with nature and Mother Nature to me.